Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. I go by the name Paul Okwe, a real estate authority based here in Enugu, and today we'll be talking about the Enugu bus terminal. The infrastructure project aimed to modernize the Enugu state. So I'll be telling you few about this project, and also I'll talk about how this project is going to benefit you as an individual and how it will benefit you as an Enugu state citizen and beyond. Spearheaded by Governor Peter Mba, this project includes the construction of 4 state-of-the-art bus terminals at Holy Ghost, Gariki, Apapa, and Nsukka. These terminals will feature modern amenities such as CNG EV gas station, retail shops, ATM points, and food courts, significantly enhancing the transport infrastructure in the state. The terminal at Holy Ghost area, known as Enugu Central Station, is particularly significant as it aims to alleviate chronic traffic congestion, improve safety, and revitalize the key transport hub. The project has required the relocation of businesses and properties currently occupying the site, with the state government providing compensation and alternative location to those affected. This development is part of the broader vision to replicate world-class transport facilities found in cities like Dubai, Singapore, addressing the long-standing issue of delay and congestion in that area. So how does this benefit you as a citizen? Number 1, it improves transport efficiency. The modern bus terminal will streamline public transport, reduce travel time, and make it easy for commuters to navigate the city. And inclusion of facilities like CNG EV gas station and taxi park will also support various modes of transportation, catering to the wide range of users. Number 2, reduce traffic congestion. By relocating the central bus terminal and creating a more organized transport hub, this project aims to alleviate the notorious traffic congestion in the Holy Ghost area. This will lead to smoother traffic flow, less time spent in traffic, and fewer traffic-related frustrations for drivers and commuters alike. Number 3, enhance safety. The new terminal are designed with modern safety standards in mind, which will help reduce the crime and safety issues that have been plagued the old terminal. This means a safe environment for both travelers and business operating in that area. These and a lot more are the benefits you're gonna get once this project is complete. So if you like this video, kindly click the like button, and if you're a new viewer, kindly subscribe to my channel so you can see more updates like this coming your way from my channel. Thank you very much and have a lovely day. Bye bye.